Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is in response to my buddy Jerry. Jerry does a lot of train watching and model trains, and he's an expert woodworker. And he's on a different skill level than me. I'm just a cobbler compared to Jerry. But Jerry wanted us to show how we're organizing our shops. Well, Jerry, at the start of the pandemic, I started just building stuff, and this is out of all scrap. That's knotty pine up under there, right over in here, and all of it's scraps. I got the knotty pine, some lady was on Craigslist giving it away, and this I hadn't finished setting up, but this is kind of my mechanical side. You can see all my mechanical tools, and this is my paint side. I've got my tape up there, and I've got a wire brush over here for some reason. I think I just put it up there because it was closest to me, and I've got a brush. And but I've got the different compartments, and as you this thing is on wheels, and as you rotate it around, you get 4 shelves and a space on the front where you can store stuff. And let me show you what else I got. At any given moment, I've probably got 3 or 4 jobs running through the shop. Personal jobs and paid jobs. I made this during the pandemic too. I kind of got on a roll, and I've got a video associated with this. But as you can see, all this is made out of nothing but scraps. Even that top part's wood I had left over from another job. And this is my jewelry making center, or small crafts. I'll come here and I've got everything on screws up there that I need. And if you look at that milk jug, those are wood beads. Well, they came off, I don't know if you remember, there were chair coverings to kind of help massage your back and your butt while you're driving. Well, a friend of mine took them apart and was selling at the flea market. She's one of my fellow vendors, and I bought them from her. Nice lady. And I put deer antlers on here just to give it a little bit odd look. And that is roofing metal. And I've got the old thermometer. It doesn't have the glassware in it. That was gone. But I like those Royal Crown thermometers. And I've got some storage space on the outside, brush, clean it off. But as you can see, I do some of my primitive jewelry in here. This is one I just completed. I was just messing around with this one. I made that one for a friend. I've got to send that to her. But Jerry, that's my organization. Now the rest of the shop looked like a bomb went off in it, but I'm working on that. And I've got to get this because this is part of my retirement plan, being able to do my projects in the shop. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like. And also, check Jerry's channel out. His link will be in the description section. God bless.